Ma'am. No. You can't have that. Those treats are not. Ma'am! Those treats are not for you. They are not for you. You can't. No. You can't have it. No, we're gonna get down. We're gonna get down. Oh God. How? I'm just like fighting. Come on. Oh, okay. Oh, gee. Ma'am, I'm not really enjoying the energy you have today. You're very testy. I love you. Okay.
Angie's scared of Tommy. Little Tommy.
A few moments later.
What's wrong, Angie? Why? Why are you attacking me, huh? What's wrong? Ow! There's no need. Stop it. He's your little brother. He's not an enemy. He's not your enemy. Stop attacking me. Yeah? Huh?
Yeah, but you don't want that, and here's why. You're also fucked here.
Are you okay? Whoa, that was quite the little growl.
حطي راسك عالمخدة جوا قلبي ما في قدك.
Please don't pet me. No petting, thank you. I don't want to be petted. Do not pet. You can go pet your mom or something. No petting, no petting. Get your petty paws away from me.